Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about DOM methods and properties. So let's first talk about programming interface. The DOM model HTML is a set of node objects. The node can be accessed with JavaScript or other programming language. In this tutorial, we will use JavaScript. The programming interface to the DOM is identified by the set of standard properties and methods. Properties are often referred to as a something that is node name is p, and method are often referred to as something that is done. For example, delete p. Now let's see HTML DOM properties first. So these are the various properties of HTML DOM like x.innerHTML, which is the property of HTML DOM. The inner text value of x is accessed through the inner HTML property, where x is a HTML node. X.nodename. To access the node name property is used. Next is the x.nodeValue. To access the node value of x object, nodeValue property is used. X.parentNode. To retrieve the parent node name, parent node property is used. X.childNodes. To access the various child node of X object, child nodes property is used. And last one is the X.attributes. Attribute property is used to access the various attributes of node X. So these are the various property of HTML DOM. Now let's see various methods. So first method is x.getElement by id. To get the element with specify id, getElement by id method is used, and we have to pass id of element in the getElement by id function. Next is the getElement by tag name. If we have specified element using name, then we can also get that element using element name using getElements by tag name method. So this function get all the element with a specified tag name. Next method is x.appendChild. To insert a child node into X node, appendChild method is used, and last one is x.removeChild. To remove the child node from the X, removeChild method of HTML DOM is used. There are other various methods are also available that we will study in further tutorials. Now let's talk about inner HTML. The easiest way to get or modify the content of an HTML is by using inner HTML property. Inner HTML is not a part of W3C DOM specification. However, it is supported by all major browsers. For example, the JavaScript code to get text from the p element, where id is intro into HTML document. We can access this text using document.getElement by id. We are passing id into this function as a parameter dot inner HTML will for the text in txt variable. So now txt variable contain the value of the element fee into txt variable. So in this tutorial we have seen various methods, property and inner HTML. Thank you.